Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, we are doing August empties, y'all. Yes, I cannot believe August is done already. We are now in the month of September and like, holy schmoly, where the hell did summer go, bruh? Like, where did it go? I feel like it went by like that. But in addition to my empties for August, y'all, I want to tell you about these new coupons I got from Bath & Body Works. Yo, look at that. I am going to cover my lovely name and address here on the front. They are super cute. They are promoting the scents of fall. And the coupons, of course, are a 25% off and a free hand sanitizer spray or pocket back. Now, you know your girl's gonna get the spray because those cost more. Yeah, that's what's happening with that. But yeah, and they are heavily advertising for seasonal help for the holidays. So, in fact, I actually got an email from a hiring director of the greater Cleveland area for Bath & Body Works asking if I'd be interested in working part-time during holiday season, which y'all, I'm thinking about. I didn't say I'm doing it, but I said I'm thinking about it. So, but anyway, let's get into these empties, right? I did get through sea salt and linen. Scent notes are sun-dried linen, warm driftwood, and sea salt soft lavender. This was very, very pretty in my kitchen. However, the scent throw was not what I needed it to be. Would I buy it again? Probably not. I also got through that mashup of Marshmallow Fireside and Black Cherry Merlot. Scent notes are marshmallow, toasted marshmallow, crystallized amber, wild black cherries, and velvety wine. As much as I wanted to love this, I just didn't. I didn't feel like it. The throw was definitely not there, and it sounded great in theory, like a lot of their other mashup candles, but reality is far uglier, baby, because I would not repurchase. Absolutely not. I did get through a single wick in the bathroom and coconut colada. I love this candle. Scent notes are not on here, but it basically smells like coconut colada, the body care, in a candle form, and it's amazing. It threw really well in my bathroom, and I was impressed, so yeah. I did get through sweet strawberry scoop in the hand soap. I'm going to tell you something. I've had this in years past, and it did not smell as good as this year's version. Scent notes are sugared pink strawberries and vanilla bean ice cream. And I'm going to tell you something right now. If at Winter SAS I see this hand soap, I'm buying it. Oh, yes, indeed, I'm buying it. It's good. Oh, yeah. Really good. I did get through a travel or a sampler of SpaLuxetique, which you guys know I'm a brand ambassador for SpaLuxetique. And I love their products. Like, I genuinely love their products. And I've been using them up. But they sent me this Moonlight Magic. It was like a body cream. And literally I had enough in here to do 2 full applications. That's how full the packets were. Like, they were full. And it was super thick cream. It smelled really good, and it wasn't overpowering though, because I'm not a big lover of lavender, and this is Lavender Dream. But it was like perfect. It was perfect, and it did the dang thing, y'all. I will be repurchasing for show. I got through another package of Goose Creek Body Cleansing Wipes. This one was an Island Bliss. The scent notes or the scent of this wasn't amazing. However, I love their body wipes. Like, I love them, especially in the summertime. I have a pack in my car. I have a pack on the back patio. I have one, of course, here in my beauty room. Just like a quick freshen up if I've been running around and I don't have time to take a shower. They literally do the dang thing, y'all. Highly recommend. Would definitely purchase again. I also got through BioEssence, Squalene, and what is this? Squalene and Omega Repair Cream for your face. I definitely liked this. Like, y'all, Liked it a lot, and I will be repurchasing. It did what it needed to do for my 44-year-old skin. Room spray, we got through suntan, which this one, I somehow lost the cap. Whoo, it smells literally like sunscreen, which I like in an air freshener, but not for my body. Yeah, but I like it in an air freshener because it really just amps up the whole it's summertime vibe in the house. So I dig it. Y'all, I did try this by Dollar General. It's their True Living Ultra Fabric Softener, which is supposed to be like comparable to Gain at like half the price, if that. I don't even think it was that much. But it was a huge bottle. Like, it was huge. And let me tell you, this smells phenomenal. It smells amazing. And it really did work well for a fabric softener, y'all, a fabric softener. I cannot talk today. But I will be getting this again because, my God, it was like less than half the price of Gain, and my clothes smelled amazing. Hell of a lot more scent than that Bath & Body Works dryer crap, or the washer crap they got out right now. Yeah, I said it. I did get through another Batiste dry shampoo. This one was in Fresh Breezy Citrus. I like the smell of this one. I'm going to tell you something. I have used a million different kinds of dry shampoo, and to this day, I tend to always come back to Batiste, as well as the one by Sol Janeiro. Freaking, I love that one, but that one's like $35 a bottle. My pocketbook is not approving right now. No. I did not get authorization for that purchase. Yeah. But anyway, I also did get through a mini in the gingham shower gel. I want to say my son, my oldest son, gave this to me like in a gift bag with a bunch of other stuff. And I'm like, oh, I haven't had the shower gel from that in a really long time. And y'all, it smelled good. Like, I was pleasantly reminded of having used this a long time ago. But it's like a perfect light type of a shower gel if you don't want a lot of fragrance. Gingham's your girl. Hand soap, I did get through Beach Weather. Yeah, baby. Scent notes are hibiscus petals, sunny coconut, and breezy palm trees. It was okay. Oh my God. Y'all, it's all right, Avery, come here. That was so weird. A little bit ago, before I started this video, one of Anthony's little friends came to the door and was looking for him, but I was like, he's not here, he's with his big sister. They had big sissy time. He spent the night at her house last night. He might even actually spend the night there again tonight and go to church with her in the morning. But I told him, I was like, he's not going to be home. Well, then I heard the door knocking again, and it's this guy who rides around my neighborhood on a bicycle, and he's kind of not, I don't know if he has some type of learning disability or what it is, but earlier when I was out doing some errands, I saw him talking to the neighbor up here at the corner, like asking him why he was weed whacking around the stop sign, which I thought was odd, but I'm like, the stop sign's on his property, bro. He wants to weed whack it, you know? Well, when the door just knocked again, that was him. And he's knocking on my door asking me, because if you watch my vlogs, I had a garage sale a couple of weeks ago. And I remember him stopping by here. He asked me if he could come and look in my garage to see if there was anything else he wanted to buy. And I'm like, the garage sale was 2 weeks ago. I don't even have that stuff out there like that for sale right now. It was just weird. The dog was going crazy. And normally when she's like that, she is picking up a bad vibe. And it was weird. It was just weird. I have locks on everything. I have cameras out everywhere under the sun on my property, so I ain't too worried about it. But that was just weird. That was weird. I feel a little cringe. But anyway, let's get back into this because I'll probably feel better. Beach Weather. Bath & Body Works always makes everything better, baby. Better. Beach Weather was okay. Again, scent notes are hibiscus petals, sunny coconut, and breezy palm trees. I didn't really think it was reminiscent of something that would remind me of the beach. It was kind of woody. woody with coconut. It was just kind of an odd mixture for your hand soap, and I wasn't a big fan. It was alright, but I wouldn't buy it again. Next thing I got through, y'all, I talked about SpaLuxetique, and I did get through another one of her products. It is Beach Coconut Body Scrub. I loved this, like, loved this. It smelled very similar. Let me get my nose in here. It smells kind of like a mixture of At the Beach and Waikiki Beach Coconut. And I love it, as you can see. Like, I'm going to have to order another one of these. They sent me this one as like to try it, but I'm definitely going to be getting another one of these. And if you are interested in SpaLuxetique, y'all, I'm going to leave the link in the description below along with my coupon code, which I can't remember if it was, I think it was Mary15, I think. But I'm going to leave it all down in the description box. Go check them out. They got new fall scents they released too, which I'm going to have to like take a look at and see what their new ones are. Hold on. You know, as a matter of fact, let me take a look here real quick. They still have the Beach Coconut on there, the Lavender Dream, and the Limelight. They have Warm Vanilla, White Jasmine, Honey Lemon, Cherry Blossom, Eucalyptus Mint, Lavender, and they also have Ocean Breeze. I thought they had new fall stuff on there, but I think that's coming later if I remember hearing, because I gotten an email about it, so I think that is coming later. But y'all, that new beach one, they sent me the cleansing shower mousse in it, and it's freaking amazing. I love it. It's a huge can of it too, so definitely go check them out if you have an opportunity. At least go take a look. It may not be something you end up being interested in, but go check it out because I love hipping you guys up to new good stuff. Good stuff. So anyway, let's get back to this empties for August. I did get through Tropic Glow. It's kind of leaking a little bit. Tropic Glow from Tree Hut. It is a firming sugar scrub. I liked what it does. The scent was very lackluster. Would I ever purchase this again? No. 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 I also got through a mouthwash. This was a new one I tried. It's by Swan, and it was Spring Mint. I mean, mouthwash is mouthwash, but I actually kind of like this. It wasn't too minty, which I thought it was just different. So it's by Swan. I don't know I can't even remember where I got this from, y'all. I tend to go through a lot of mouthwash because I always like my mouth to feel fresh. Yeah, you feel me? You feel me. I did get through a Goose Creek Wax Melt and Pumpkin Pie. I love this one. It filled up my entire kitchen and was amazing. Would definitely repurchase. Got through some more makeup wipes in the night soothing ones. I got these at Dollar General. I tend to buy these ones a lot. I compare them to Neutrogena nighttime ones. And y'all, they do exactly the same thing, but they're like half price. Yeah, I will definitely be purchasing more. In fact, today I have to go purchase more of these. And I have to purchase more of these exfoliating cotton rounds. They're the big round cotton pads, but on one side it's real soft, and on the other side it has like these raised exfoliating bumps that are like, they go in cross patterns. And y'all, those cotton rounds are a game changer for taking off makeup. I swear to God, they do so much better than other just plain cotton rounds. So I absolutely will be getting more of these. And again, I did get these at Dollar General as well. I think they were a couple bucks, but they well worth it. Also got through Neutrogena Hydro Boost face gel, or it's a water gel. I love this. I actually like the way it smelled. It's completely empty, yo, like completely empty. I would definitely repurchase this. It really made my skin feel moisturized, but not heavy or greasy. You know what I'm saying? Because I hate that feeling, especially in summertime. Because, you know, it's hotter and it's just, yeah, this was perfect for summer. Another room spray in Vanilla Bean. I love this one. I probably have another 4 or 5 of these downstairs easily. I love vanilla because you know I'm a vanilla hoe. Why would you even guess any other reason why? I also got through this candle. It just says you are loved. It's a long pillar candle. My daughter got this for me a while back. It was supposed to be white grapefruit and peach. I got none of that. It literally was just for looks, but as it was burning down, it was so pretty inside of here. I want to say she got this for me, was it Mother's Day? It might have been Mother's Day, and I had it, and I finally burnt it because it was just so pretty. So, yeah. Would I repurchase this? I don't know where she got it. I have no clue. Got through a single wick in Mango Mai Tai. No scent notes on this one. The scent is good on this on cold, but it had a lot of sooting going on there, and the throw was shit. It was like really bad. I was kind of shocked because I've never had that problem with this candle before, but there's a first time for everything, I guess. I would not repurchase. Got through a wax note from Goose Creek called Button Up. This was kind of like a manly cologne. Smells like a sexy man is in your house. Would definitely repurchase. Also got through Raking Leaves. I know y'all are probably like, why are you burning so many fall scents in August? Well, I ran out of my summer stuff and it was there. So don't judge me. This one like literally kind of smells like some pumpkin and a little bit of spice. I liked it though. I liked it a lot. Would definitely repurchase this one. And again, that's Raking Leaves. Another hand soap in What's the Scoop? I love this one. It's Cherry Vanilla Float. I want to say this was, yeah, it was 2021 it came out. And I had a couple of them. I think I have one left in the basement. It literally smells like a Cherry Vanilla Float, and I freaking love it. It's amazing. Scent notes are juicy cherries, shaved coconut, and vanilla cream. It kind of smells like Sunset Glow in a hand soap. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, they need to bring this one back. This one was banging. Banging, baby. Got through Fresh Mint and Tea Tree in a 3-wick. Bright Spearmint, Tea Tree, and Rosemary. For as strong as this is of a candle, like especially on cold, like even now in the jar, it's very strong. The throw in my kitchen wasn't massive, which I was kind of surprised. Would I purchase this again? Probably not. Just keeping it real, y'all. Did get through Italy by Goose Creek, which is their sweet tiramisu. I burnt this out on my back patio and it was fabulous. Even in the open air, I kept getting wafts of it and it was amazing. Would definitely repurchase this. I love Goose Creek candles. Love them. The last candle I got through was Fresh Bamboo by Bath & Body. I love this candle. I probably have 5 of these in the basement right now. Scent notes are, what is this? Tags from something. Sweet Bamboo, Lush Jasmine, and Wild Greens. Massive powerhouse thrower this one is. And every time they bring it back, I snatch it up. And I swear to God, they better not mess with the formulation because I will be pissed. This sucker is a powerhouse. Powerhouse. And then the very last thing I got through, y'all, it was a perfume, a mini mist in Summer Melody. I love this scent. And now because I took it to Cabo with me, with Anthony back in May, it will forever remind me of Cabo. Oh, I love this. I love this. And I think I still have a couple left. Yeah, I got a couple left. So those will be saved for next summer. But yeah, I love this one. And we'll probably never see it again. Yeah, Summer Melody's banging, yo. But that is everything I got through with my empties for the month of August. What did you think? I think I used up a lot of stuff. What do y'all think? You know the drill, you guys. So like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time I upload. And other than that, y'all, we'll catch you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.